Okay, so let's talk about our weird new relationship at work. We're handing over tasks, brainstorming ideas, and yeah, even sharing our calendars with AI. We're totally fine with it being our teammate, but there's one job we're just not ready to give it, being our boss.
Think about it. You probably use AI to summarize a meeting or help draft an email. No big deal. But how would you feel if it was the one giving you your performance review? That single question, right there, reveals this fascinating tension that's right at the heart of the modern office.
And this tension, it creates something people are calling the trust paradox. There is this huge gap between how willing we are to collaborate with AI and how willing we are to be managed by it. Let's just look at the numbers.
So get this, the acceptance is overwhelming. A recent survey found that a massive 75% of U.S. professionals see their AI tools as trusted teammates. And the key word here is absolutely trust. We trust it to help us get the job done.
But, and this is a big but, look at what happens when that power dynamic shifts. That trust just plummets. While surveys show only 30% of us would accept an AI manager, well, the message is pretty clear. We're happy to delegate tasks, but we are not ready to give AI control.
So, why the disconnect? What's going on here? Well, it goes way deeper than just algorithms. This is all about our own human psychology and what we really need to feel connected and, valued at work.
And it is getting personal. I mean, people are so integrated with their AI that many are actually giving their assistants names, treating them kind of like a friendly, non-judgmental work buddy who's just always there to help out.
But of course, experts are starting to sound a little note of caution. Leaning too heavily on our digital teammates could really come at a cost. Dulling our critical thinking skills and even weakening the human connections that make a workplace actually work.
So to really understand this new relationship, we have to be honest about the trade-offs. Let's just weigh the benefits right up against the risks.
Okay, on the plus side, you get 24/7 reliability and feedback that's, in theory, completely unbiased. The efficiency gains, they're undeniable. But on the other side of that coin, we risk reduced empathy, maybe more hollow social interactions, and this really dangerous trap known as automation bias, which is basically where we just blindly trust whatever the AI spits out. And that risk, that automation bias thing, it leads directly into a pitfall that's being called the complacency trap. It's the subtle but really powerful downside of having such an efficient AI partner. Let me walk you through a super quick scenario. You ask your AI to draft a tricky email, and boom, it's done. In seconds. It's a huge time saver, and it feels amazing, right?
But then, after a while, you start to trust it so much that you just hit send. You stop proofreading. You stop questioning the tone. You stop adding your own critical human touch.
And that is the trap. The incredible ease of use quietly, subtly, turns into complacency. You've basically outsourced a little piece of your own judgment, and that is a very slippery slope.
Now, this isn't just an individual problem. It has a real social cost. Reports are showing that this over-reliance can lead to less human interaction overall. Fewer of those spontaneous chats by the coffee machine, where some of the best ideas are often born. That creative spark of human-to-human collaboration, it starts to dim.
So, what's the solution here? It's not about ditching AI, not at all. It's about building a smarter partnership. Here's how you can stay in the driver's seat and make this all about true collaboration.
All right, here are 3 really powerful steps. Number 1, ideate with AI. Use it for brainstorming, but you always make the final call. 2, create space. Intentionally block out AI free time for just pure human creativity. And 3, always verify. Treat AI output like a first draft, never the final word. You see, at the end of the day, the future isn't about avoiding AI. It's about leading it, using it as a tool to amplify your own intelligence and creativity. So the real question is, are you ready to take the lead? If you want to make sure your AI is your best teammate and not your boss, I've actually put together a free human-AI collaboration toolkit for you. Just comment AI teammate down below to get it. And hey, make sure to subscribe for more actionable insights that'll keep you in control and ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching.